All right. Okay, Ellie, you want to go next? Okay, you can go next.
Save that too for her. Actually, I will need that. Ellie, that's pretty paper. Don't try to save a big chunk of it.
Now, Mom, tell everybody for the camera, why are we saving paper?
Because we are giving recycled gifts. We're doing a recycled gift exchange at the Buckets house. And so what goes better with recycled gifts than recycled paper?
All right.
Baby. You did good.
Mom, look how big that piece is.
Hey, move back, guys.
Oh,
Ellie,
you did good.
Okay, Cody, go open it for her.
I want to go after Ellie.
And who's that present from?
Ellie, where's it from? Grandma Bumstar.
Okay. Yep, open it up, guys.
Come on, Cody. No, Ellie, that's big.
Ellie, get your hands back.
I want to open mine.
Wow. It's taped very well, isn't it?
Yep. Okay.
Mom could want to.
Katie, just wait.
It could not be a book.
Well, it's because you can't find the lip.
I know, because it's curled over.
You probably got it, Cody.
Yes.
You're at the
No,
center.
there's some right here. Now, can I open it?
Okay, back up, Cody. It's toilet paper.
No, it's not. She has her own.
Whoa! What is that? Ellie, what is that? Look at me. What is that?
It's a chair. And Ellie has a flat one. I have a Tinkerbell one, and Ellie has.
Now, all you girls have your own little chairs.
Yeah.
So do you suppose that'll stop all the fighting now?
Yeah. But Ellie's is higher.
Okay, look up. Ellie, tell Grandma. Say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.
No, it's from Grandma Baumstark. Look at the camera and say thank you, Grandma Baumstark.